Tonight's the faithful night. We're finally going to start reassembling the NASCAR Racecar for Monsieur Roberto.
I'm so damn stoked.
Yeah, he is. He's going to win this thing.
Yeah.
He's going to climb.
Fucking put I put a date to it. You know, we could have got this done, what, a long time ago. But
yeah, kind of been slacking, but we've been doing other things too.
So freaking procrastinating. So damn busy with life and actually trying to make some money and survive.
Very true. But it doesn't matter because we're gonna work on the car finally.
Yeah, we're doing it now.
Yeah.
This thing is sick. I wish it worked. I just went to try and touch it and it doesn't do anything. Fucking power on, boys. So, to complete everything so that we know what the hell the engine's doing, Haltex IC7. This is the newest Those are fucking children.
We're not fucking children. Oh God.
Want to know what a $19,000 transmission looks like?
There
it is.
That's what it looks like.
And the LS. And turbos. Getting some parts laid out. Pretty badass turbos.
That is some
Train,
good. That's some
motor.
good.
Yeah,
That
it
is
is.
some good. I mean,
Setup
when
and-
the setup.
That's what we're talking about. It's what, almost 11 o'clock at night. Still about 88 degrees in here. Yeah, late start. We slept in. Yeah, we started late. Doesn't matter. Got the whole thing together now. Just going out and up the RTS to the engine. Oh yeah. So we're about to get the motor mated to the clutch. Sitting right there. Rob's got the bell housing and throwout bearing already on the train. And yeah, things are looking up here.
Freaking times.
Exactly.
I'm gonna have to find some brake line though, so that I can hook up the clutch throwout bearing. I didn't realize it didn't come with any, so.
Yeah, you always forget something.
On Monday, I'll run to the shopping that has that stuff, and hopefully they do have some in stock.
Clutch has been torqued to spec. Now it's time to move forward.
Yes, it is.
That's the good stuff right there.
Dirty.
Get that clutch on there, Rob. Get that 74 foot-pounds, Rob.
Okay, I don't know.
Getting the bell housing mounted up. Crossover tube clears. About to spray down the engine bay real quick, get us looking nice and clean and professional, and continue on with the engine reinstallation. Getting her cleaned up. Now it's really race ready. Spray her down, Rob.
Getting it.
Oh yeah.
Come back to life, baby.
Super satisfying.
Yeah.
Little hoedown, blowdown.
Yeah.
Blow that bad girl, Caleb. Getting the engine put in the NASCAR race car. Try not to drop it on ourselves.
Holy fuck.
Jesus. So sketchy. Got the motor mostly in. We're just battling an oil line that's stopping us from getting the passenger side motor mount on. Other than that, sitting pretty. Looking good. Hi, Caleb. Hey.
How much can you push on it, Caleb? On this front.
Coming down still?
Yep.
Coming down.
It's
Here we are. Night 7,642.
Out in Iowa.
Out in Iowa. Here we are in Utah, working on the NASCAR race car. About to get the intake and put that on while Caleb is fingering the wiring system back into shape. And Rob is getting himself tangled up in a wiring mess.
I got a Haltex spider over here.
Delicious!
Instead of me doing it off the computer, there's a variable resistor right here that tells it where to go.
That's cool.
Yes, if you watch it.
Yeah. Sweet!
I'm probably
Slamming gears. Getting the starter put back in. Caleb's over there fabricating.
Fucking hating my life.
Hating his life, fabricating up the transmission press member. He's got the big fucking hammer out. Transmission cross member going together. Caleb got it mocked up underneath. Rob's final welding. Getting some final things done here on the car. Caleb's mounting up the transmission cross member after it's welded up. I'm gonna get the MSD coil packs and just got the wiring harness fed through the engine firewall. And yeah, what we have here is a spaghetti nest of things and stuff that I would not be able to figure out how to play with. But Rob and Caleb know how to do that stuff. I don't.
Yeah, so like what I did yesterday is I cut that box off and replaced it with 3 plugs. So
Okay.
low current, small wire stuff, medium current stuff, and then the higher current stuff. Because you can't put all that all in one plug because these plugs rated to X amount of amperage. So I'm gonna unpin these again and I'll put some heat shrink over this to make it look nice.
Rob is hitting up the wiring car so we can flip switches and do things and stuff.
Oh, frick, I fucked up.
Damn. No one needs to know that. Engine wiring harness. So yeah, since you have all last seen the car, the engine's more or less coming back together, and then Caleb and Rob bended up some really cool bracketry and locations for all the wiring, engine controls, and pneumatics for the clutch. Rob is finishing wiring. Caleb is turbocharging.
Yeehaw!
Yes. Sexy pneumatic air control clutch system is set in, and the hand controls have also been installed. You can rotate up, down for the gas, and in for the brake. And then Rob will be flicking gears. Woo. Whipping those wires. So that's it. The NASCAR's left the shop. Got my car in here for the time being. It's been taken down to Colorado over at the racetrack. Rob's flown back already one time to work on it a little bit, get it all set and ready to go, practice on the car, and he's going to be going there at the end of August and hopefully kills it, setting a time record going up that thing. It'll be freaking cool to see. So thank you guys all for watching so far and seeing what we've done with this car, and stay tuned for more.
False call!
Here in Iowa.
Years ago, we were here in the fab shop.
Fastest valve available in its size. So it's all built into this small housing to be able to actuate the gears in and out. And just a nice force-hand D2. Look. Get your fucking noise out of here.